The very first thing that we're gonna start with is our sauce. I've added soy sauce into my crock pot. I'm gonna add brown sugar, garlic powder, and red pepper flakes, onions. I did not have any beef broth, so I used a bouillon cube. So we're gonna add 1 cup of beef broth. The recipe calls for sesame oil, but I'm not gonna use as much as it calls for. I like it, but I don't want it to overpower because it's so strong. We're going to add cornstarch. We're gonna give all of this a really good stir. We're gonna add our beef. I'm using flank steak. I'm gonna make sure it gets coated on both sides. We're gonna put the lid on and let this cook on slow for 6 to 8 hours. Now that we got our flank steak in our crock pot, let's go ahead and talk a little bit about this video. Jeni Goff from Jeni's Scratch Made Kitchen is hosting our collaboration. I will be sure to link Jeni's channel below. Also, there is a Crockpot 2022 video every day this week, and some days there are 2. So make sure that you check out and you look for this Crocktober 2022 logo so that you know that it is part of Jeni Goff's collaboration. I cannot wait for you to see all of the wonderful channels and all of the recipes that they come up with in their crock pot. I will have a playlist listed below, as well as a list of all the channels participating. And the most exciting part of all is that on November the 1st, Jeni will be doing a giveaway. They're gonna put names of all the people who comment on just a random video out of the group for the month. They are going to be giving away 1 crock pot. We better get back to cooking. For sides tonight with our Korean beef, we're gonna have some minute rice. I'm just gonna follow it based on packaged instructions. And then we're also going to have some broccoli for rice. All right, guys, my shredded beef I put back into the mixture. And so now I steamed my broccoli, and I'm gonna take off some of these stems, and I'm gonna get them mixed into the beef mixture as well. I have my rice going. I changed shirts so that I wouldn't, my luck, I would splash Korean beef juice all over my shirt. So I was like, let me just change clothes real quick here. I got my broccoli all de-stemmed, or most of it anyways. I'm gonna get it added down into the meat mixture next. If you don't want to combine yours, you can always have your broccoli on the side. I'm going to put the lid on this and let the heat from the slow cooker get all of that juicy goodness all over that broccoli. And here is our dinner tonight: Korean beef with broccoli and white rice. And that's a wrap on today's crock pot Korean beef recipe. This is so good. I will be sure to link in the description box below the original recipe as well of where I got this inspiration. It is delicious. You can't tell me your mouth wasn't drooling just a little bit. 2 quick reminders. I have Jeni Goff at Jeni's Scratch Made Kitchen. I have her channel listed below in the description box. And I also have the Crocktober 2022 playlist that's going to be running for the entire month in the description box below as well. And most importantly, make sure that you're leaving comments after you watch each video so that you may be entered to win the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for following along. And thanks again, Jeni. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.